Back in Cotonyi, the exterior of Tracy Nirvana's home has been rendered, and their house is now nearly
Yeah, that's to shake it, they're falling out. Yeah.
Well, the house looks good now.
Oh.
Got it up. Done now. The stairs on the side have been done.
However, just across the other side of the courtyard, their dream of turning the truly
You've got the
into
lid
a
off, you silly
three-bedroom,
bugger. You can get
three-bath
your head
holiday
in there.
complex is some way off.
We feel like we are in this limbo. We're stuck. We can't open the
Oh,
business.
he's got one out.
Get excited and walk.
We've gone through every emotion, haven't we? Where now we're just laughing.
It's a roller coaster. Mainly down.
No, not get your head in.
It's now January 2024. Unfortunately, the Christmas period saw very little work carried out at Cotonyi.
Oh,
But today,
it's a bit
the
thick,
specialist
that one.
programs are back on site.
Bite in the metal. Just stick
Well, yes,
Left of the two
not many of them get it open like that. I think it's only one who's managed to stick his head right in there.
Some of the old marble stone exposed. There's
Come
also
on, tip
Oh,
it.
nearly.
a special guest
Tip it, tip it.
There he goes.
Oh.
Oh.
today. Ivana's mum has arrived to stay for
Yay!
Questa era la cucina, la lamia che era la cucina prima, no? Che poi adesso
And it's the first time she's ever seen a trullo.
my mother is from where I'm originally from. The lot of Puglia, which is 3 hours north, they don't have the trulli. The trulli are only typical of this area.
But will she share her son's
Remember
vision
what you
for
did?
turning these crumbling 18th century dwellings into a holiday village? Ivana's having to work hard to convince her.
Right.
Che dice lui? Com'è? Mi piace.
Oh, you silly frog.
Yeah, he didn't see him come out, did he?
No.
And after a full day with the
Oh, he got
specialist
one.
workers on
Yeah,
site,
it's
Ivana and Tracy
loads of
make
holes in it.
progress.
Oh, wow! That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, no, we want some original brick, don't we? Because otherwise it'll just look like a white
Yeah.
room. And the brick's lovely, so, you know, keep it, give it a little bit of character.
Yeah. Good.